In this video, I'm going to show you how to add work location to Google Maps. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Google Maps on your Android phone. So it's also work on iOS device, and here is the bottom side base you showing. And after that, as you can see, I already added home locations. So for work locations, tap on work, and as you can see, here's two different options showing here. You can use current location or you can choose other locations. So for searching other, tap on search on map. So for example, my work locations here, uh, in this site, then tap on save. So these locations will add it to my work locations, then done. As you can see here showing work, so I can shortly get directions my workplace like that. And as you can see here showing the directions. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next